So this is a feature that you built?
We built this one during lockdown, so last year. So we were bored, had leftover materials, didn't think we'd really use the garden as well as we could. So
this will be interesting for you, Kenny, because this is a pondless that can turn into a pond.
Home.
Bit of a jungle.
Yeah. Yeah, jungle out there.
What's this plant then, Kenny?
Mind your own business.
You don't need to be like that.
Again, just very simple.
Very natural. It looks like it's coming up out of the patio.
So there's 3 aqua bolts, pump bolt under the gunner.
Yep.
That's it really. There's a half block at the top and it just flows up.
So you can see where the flooded up the basin. So there's a pool at the bottom. So it's a different sound. So when you sleep, you say?
Yeah, so with the window open at the top, if we flood it, we get that deeper pitch. So actually it's a lot nicer to go to sleep to than when it's empty, because you get a higher pitch that way. So again, it's all personal preference.
But sound's very important.
Yeah, massively.
If it's the wrong, it'll make people want to go for a wee. If it's, if it's like that noise, then, that's why people think that water features make you want to go to the loo. It's because it's that noise of going to the loo.
Still asleep.
I thought it was fake. It wasn't.
This is jelly mold and sticky feet. Put them on the we used to have fridge magnet and then fridge magnet passed on, but
fridge magnet. No way.
Kenny.
Spot the fridge magnet. How cool is that?
So it doesn't look like it's been here for 2 years. So what was here originally?
well, yeah, it's not even that. Yeah, so
yeah.
yeah, there was nothing. It was a flat bed, so everything. So we had to build up that and taper it off. So this was literally flat, and then an edge to the patio.
Is it a cord line?
Yes. Yeah.
You put that in?
That's been in, yeah, for the last 6 years, I think.
And you've been in 6 years? Did you put it?
Jane's been in 16. I've been in about 4 or 5 years.
Yeah.
So, yeah. This year that's just gone.
Yeah, and the bananas?
Bananas, big giant Xanthodesia. But this, I mean, probably my favourite bit in the whole garden is literally our log. So just simple, just goes straight across. Ferns are growing straight into it.
Yeah.
That's it. So we love, so we do a lot of walking and bits and pieces, and we like fallen trees. And again, it's a small space, but I wanted to try and capture something of that.
Yeah.
Whether it'll be here for long or we'll change it, or
it's what it's all about, You can enjoy it, and then if you change it, whether it goes into a koi pool or whatever you want to do.
Yeah, I think it's right for the space. That stone at the top where it splits, I wanted to use for ages. We just finally put it on, so we get the 2 waterfalls going around it. I always feel a bit guilty that we've stolen it for our garden, but perks of the job.
But you've got to enjoy it. You've got to live the lifestyle, and the amount of people that they miss that. They're building features every day for people to enjoy, but they don't understand.
And we use it as well. So I'll often send a video of this to customers saying this is what you can do. I mean, that's such a small space, such a small berm on that. It's probably 2 foot, if that, really. But just by layering it up and using bigger boulders, it gives the impression of a bigger area. And then we've got Gunnera, so Gunnera manicata and Tetrapanax.
Massive. Oh yeah, look at that, massive.
And then there's a tiny wildlife pond in there somewhere. But there you go, in there. And Thalia again.
The frogs love it.
Yeah, we
Thalia.
get newts, frogs,
Houtunia.
pineapple lilies. Yeah, considering, I mean, this year we've literally just left it and it's done
Leather
well.
fern.
I don't know. That was from Eden Project, so.
Nice.
But that spreads and eventually that gets a trunk like a tree fern as well.
Yeah.
So it's just starting to trunk out.
I think it's a leather fern. I'm not 100% sure. I know that there are a load in Florida.
Yeah.
But it'll be interesting.
But
to
again,
see.
totally hardy. Just leave it be. It struggled for years and then this year it suddenly just exploded.
And then you've got black bamboo.
Black bamboo,
yellow.
which is struggling.
Yeah.
So we moved that and it's never really bounced back. The yellow we've moved and has done really well.
They take a while for them to, the black bamboo they take a while and then they come up green, don't they? And then blacken as,
And then
these are new ones, aren't they?
those are new, so they'll blacken up.
Yeah.
But again, that's my favourite view from down there, looking at the level that way. Yeah,
Yeah.
you see where it gets messy down the bottom.
And then you've got a hardy palm behind you.
Again, same species, that's Petunii. But again, that one, because we've restricted the light, it's just got stretched, which I think makes it look completely different, which I love.
So if somebody wants a water feature, how do they get in contact with you? What's the best way?
So possibly through our website or via email. So it's naturalwaterscapes.co.uk. And then we normally make contact with them, ask for a few photos, a description of what they want to do, and then we'll obviously then arrange a consultation and go out from there.
Well, thank you for sending us around and giving us a pond tour.
No worries, it's been a great day. Thank you.
Thank you very much.